Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see Gmail password on laptop or PC. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. So if you forgot your email password but your account is still logged in on your computer, don't worry. This video will guide you step by step. So this tutorial works for most browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. So make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And so first of course, you can just open your Google Chrome or Microsoft Words or any browser on your laptop or PC. After that, you can go to here on the upper right corner on the three dots over here. You can select on that and you'll find there is an open password and autofill. You can just select on that. After that, you can choose on Google Password Manager. So here's all the password that you saved to your Google account. And if you want to check your email password, you can just scroll down. You can search for google.com. If you it's hard for you to find it, you can just search password. So this one, google.com, you can select on that. So here's all the email and also password that you save on your uh, Google account. It's very simple, right? And if you want to see the password, you can just select on here on the eyes icon in here, or you can just copy the password. So here's all the emails and also all with the password on your account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to see how to check Gmail password on laptop or PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.